Hi guys, welcome back again. Today we will learn about the maps in Golang. As always, let us start by defining our goal. The goal of this video is to help you understand what's map, know how to create a map and how to use a map, understand how to add, update and delete the values on the map, check if the value is exist or not, also loop over the map. Then finally we will try to see the real world use case of map. Let us start by defining what is the map. Map is a collection of key value pair, which is similar to an array or a slice. We can define it like a slice, but the difference between the map and the slice, is slice only we can access the slice using the index of the slice, whereas map we can access the value of the map using the key rather than the index of the value. Let us see how it looks. Okay, to declare a map we use let's say name equals to make. We use the keyword make to initialize the map. We have to initialize the map always because it could cause an issue if we don't use the make keyword. Then map, then the key, the type of the key that we want. We can use integer or we can use string as a key instead of index. We can declare the type of the value. The value is going to be integers. That means we can add, we can create like name, let's say easy, and the value going to be 30. This means instead of accessing this value using the index, we can access using the key which is currently azu. Let's say let us print it to see what it looks like. Let's say fmt println name. So main.go. When you run this program, it will tell you this is the map. The key going to be based on the value we specified. Currently we used a string, so we passed a string as a key, which is azu. Then it will add the value 30. To access that value, we can use the key azu. Azu. Let us run it. Go run main.go. It will print 30. This means we can access it similar way the array, but the only difference is it use the key rather than the index. So it is not the only way we declare the array. We can use let's say name is equals to map of a string. We've declared the string as the key, and the value is going to be integer. Then we can have this bracket. This means we can add a string and integer value to this map. Let's say the name going to be azu. Let's say for now 44, and let's say by let's say 55. Let us print it the name right here. Let us run it. Go run main.go. As you can see, it prints the type is going to be map, and the key for 44 is going to be azu, and for 55 going to be by. This is how we declare the map in Golang. We've seen there is a two way to declare the map in Golang. The first one is using the make keyword. The second one is using literal or creating map literal. Also, what will happen if the value, let's say az does not exist in the map? what will be the output for this? The output for this is going to be 0, which is, let us say it, go run main. Let's go. This means the value does not exist. If the value of the map does not exist, it will return 0 as a response. But we can check if the value is exist or not. For that, we use, let's say, x and okay. Then map of, name az. This will be a Boolean value, which is true or false. If the value az exists, it will be true. If the value of az does not exist, this will be false. Let's say if not okay, log.fatal key does not exist. If it exists, let us print the value right here, x. This means we can check if the value of as is exists or not. If it is exists, it will print it to the terminal. If it doesn't exist, it will crash the program. Let us run it. Go run main. Let's go. As you can see, it's crashed the program by printing the key does not exist. What if I do azu? This will print the value to the terminal, which is 44. This is how we can check the map key exists or not. Let us see how to loop over the map. For key will be the first value, which was indexed in the slice or in the array. Key, then the value is similar, let's say range name. And this we can get, this is going to be the string, which is the key. Also this is going to be integer, which is the value based on this map. So fmt println, let's say key going to be key, then let's say value, which is going to be the value. Let us run this. Go run main. Let's go. This will print the key is azu and the value is 44, and the key is by and the value is 55. This is how we declare and check if the value is exist or not. Let us see how to remove and add a value to the map. To remove the value from a map, we use delete keyword, then the name of the map, then the key that we want to delete. Let's say, let me remove azu from this map. It will assign the values, these values firstly, then it will remove the azu from the map, then finally it will print the remaining values to the terminal. Let us run it. As you can see, the only value that's print is going to be 55, which is the key is by. It will remove the key 44. Okay, to add a value for to the map, we can use name, the key of the name of the map. Then we can use, let's say, az going to be 38. What's this program going to do? Firstly, it will declare this map, then it will delete the key, which is azu, and the remaining key going to be by. Then we add the az48 to the map, then it will loop over the map. Let us run it. Go run main. Let's go. As you can see, it will add a new value, which is 48. As you can see, the order of the map is not guaranteed, because the first value should be 55, which is this one, but it's add az instead of y. let us see the common mistake that we face when using the map, which is not initializing the map. Let's say var name is going to be a map of string and integer. In this case, the value is going to be nil or unknown. So if we add, let's say name as is equals to 40. In this case, it will not tell you, the compiler not going to tell you this is error, but when you run it, let's say fmt println name. In this case, you cannot see the issue clearly unless you have some linters. This is not going to be visible. Let us run it and let us see what is the issue. As you can see, it will panic or halt the program. So always before we use a map, we have to initialize it using the make keyword, or we can use name equals to make string integer. This is how we initialize the maps. Then we can use it without a panic. As you can see, it will print as 40. This is for today. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will discuss about a structure in Golang. We will see the real world object in the Golang. Thank you. Bye.